Today on Design, Build, and Fix, another video on showing you how to use Sketchup. This one's on the copy command. So if you like the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So let's show you how to do it. Alright, so now we're going to show you how to use the copy command in SketchUp. And I do believe that this is a very, very important command that you need to understand, especially if you're trying to do something in a house and you're trying to make multiple copies of something, or you're just designing something and you need 100 of something, and it's very, very easy how to do this. Alright, so the move command is really the copy command. So the first thing you want to do is to come over and grab the move command, and then in order to turn that into the copy command, all you have to do is press the control key. I just pressed the control key and let go, and notice what happened. There's a plus mark next to the move command. Now at this point in time, I want to move this. Let's say I want to copy this 3 feet, and so I'm going to pick it for where I want to copy it from. I'm going to left click, drag it in the direction that I want, and I'm going to type in, let's say, 3 feet and hit enter. Notice it's going to do that. Now if I do the same thing and I go in this, whoops. Now because I had already moved it, I have to go back to the control key again, and then I can go this way, and let's say we want this to be 3 feet. And it does the exact same thing. Alright, we'll undo those. Alright, so moving onward, let's say we want to have multiple copies of something. So I'm going to grab the move command. I'm going to select the control key, which gives me the plus mark. I'm going to select the corner where I want to move this from, move it in the direction I want it to go. And let's say I want these things to be 2 feet apart. And then I'm going to hit enter key. And now what I want to do is, I'd say I want 4 copies of that. So I'm just going to type in 4x and hit enter. And notice it gave me everything that I needed. It gave me the one I already had plus 3 more for a total of 4. Okay, so another one, and this is a really important one, because let's say, for example, you're doing this on the a front porch of your house, and you have a 20-foot porch and you want to have equal distances between the columns. Again, we're going to grab the move command, hit the control key, select this, and let's say the porch is 20 feet apart. So we're going to type in 20 feet, hit enter. That's going to push it way over here. Now we want to infill this equal distance, but we don't want to have to go ahead and do the math. And so all we're going to do right now is we're going to type in, let's say we want 5. We're going to go 5, and then right next to, underneath the question mark, there's the /, then hit enter. And that's going to give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus the first one, so a total of 6. Now if I wanted that to be 4, I could type in the 4 and then the /, then hit enter. As long as I haven't selected anything, I can continue doing this until I have the number that I want, and the distance between all of these should be the same. And you can check that by grabbing the measurement tool. I'm going to click here to here, and that's 6'8", and then from here to here should be also 6'8". Okay, so that's the copy command in SketchUp. Alright, thanks for watching the copy command video. Hope you found that information informative and useful. More videos on how to use SketchUp coming out shortly. And remember, if you like the content, make sure you help me out and subscribe to the channel. Alright, hope to see you on the next one.